Hello children. Children, I am going to continue with exercise 10.1 of chapter 10 Exponents and Powers of class 8. Okay. So, we are coming to the third question. In this question, we have to find the value of. Okay. And the first question is 3 raised to power 0 plus 4 raised to power minus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2. Okay. So how to solve? आपको पता है कि जब भी किसी बेस का पावर 0 होता है the value is 1. Okay. So 3 raised to power 0 it means it is 1 plus 4 raised to power minus 1 इसका पावर नेगेटिव है इसको पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए what we are going to take? We are going to take the reciprocal of the base. So 4 का reciprocal will be 1 by 4 and the power will become positive. Okay. तो 1 आप mention कीजिए नहीं कीजिए it is the same way. Okay. Now into 2 raised to power 2. Okay. Now what we are going to do? पहले हम bracket को solve कर लेते हैं 1 plus 1 by 4 raised to power 1 it means it is 1 by 4. Okay. Now into 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4. Okay. How to solve this? Take the LCM 1 and 4. 4 in 1's table 4 comes 4 times. 4 is multiplied with the numerator and the value is 4 ones are 4 plus 4 के table में 4 comes 1 time. So 1 is multiplied here will be 4 into 4. Okay. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 by 4 multiplied by 4. This 4 and this 4 will get cancelled and you will get the value as 5. Okay children? Children, the second part is 2 raised to power minus 1 multiplied by 4 raised to power minus 1 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. Okay? So, जब भी किसी बेस का पावर नेगेटिव में होता है उसको पॉजिटिव करने के लिए व्हाट वी टेक इट्स रेसिप्रोकल. ओके. सो हियर 2 raised to power 1 तो इसको जब हमको पॉजिटिव पावर लाना है तो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू टेक द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 2. ओके. सो इट विल बी 1 by 2 पावर 1. ओके. अब इसको 1 by 2 का पावर 1 मीन्स 1 by 2 only multiplied by 4 raised to power 1 the same 1 by 4 divided by 2 raised to power minus 2. So इसको पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए what we are going to take? We are going to take the reciprocal of 2 and it is 1 by 2 and the power becomes positive then. Okay. Now 1 ones are 1, 4 twos are 8 divided by 1 by 2 का square that is 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 and that is 1 by 4. Okay. Okay. Now आपने fractions का division देखा है जब भी हम दो fraction को divide करते हैं तो जो right hand side का fraction होता है इसको डिवीजन के साइन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में जब हम चेंज करते हैं तो राइट हैंड साइड का जो फ्रैक्शन होता है उसका हम रेसिप्रोकल लिखते हैं दैट इज इक्वल 4/1 और 4 सिंपली. सो 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and you get the result or the value as 1 by 2. Children, the third part is 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to power minus 2 and plus 1 by 4 raised to power minus 2. Okay, the same when the base is having a negative part, to make it positive we are going to write the reciprocal of the base and the power becomes positive. Okay, so here 1 by 2 raised to power minus 2. So 1 by 2 का reciprocal is 2 by 1. अब 2 by 1 लिखिए या 2 लिखिए it means the same. Okay, so 2 and the power becomes positive plus 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3, it means it will be 3 raised to power 2 plus 1 by 4. Its reciprocal is 4 by 1, or simply you can write 4. Power is positive. Okay, now 2 raised to power 2 मतलब 2 को 2 times multiply करना है. I will show it here. Okay, plus 3 raised to power 3, it means we have to multiply 3 2 times, plus 4 raised to power 2, it means 4 multiplied by 4. Now 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 3 9, and 4 plus 4 is your 4 multiplied by 4 is your 16. Okay children, now what we are going to do? We are going to add this. Okay, 16 plus 9 is your 25, and 25 plus 4 is equal to your 29. So the value you get as 29. Okay children, the fourth part is 3 raised to power minus 1 plus 4 raised to power minus 1 plus 5 raised to power minus 1. So the whole power is your 0. Okay, तो सिंपली हम यहीं पे पहले हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. Okay, and then we are going to see what is the value of this question. Okay, now किसी भी बेस का पावर नेगेटिव है, so पॉजिटिव करने के लिए we take the reciprocal. Okay, now 3 raised to power minus 1. So we are going to take the reciprocal of 3, that is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 raised to power 1 लिखिए मत लिखिए, that is the same thing. Okay, because 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 time is 1 by 3 only, plus 1 by 4 plus 5 raised to power minus 1 is 1 upon 5 raised to power 0. Okay, अब किसी भी बेस का पावर जब 0 है, तो ये तो क्लियर है कि किसी भी बेस का पावर जब 0 होता है वैल्यू इज 1. तो वी कैन राइट 1 directly, but no, first we solve it and then okay. Now take the LCM of 3, 4 and 5. So 3, 4 and 5's LCM is 60. Okay. Hello children, back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. In 3's table 60 comes 20 times, and 20 multiplied in the numerator is 20. And 4 in 4's table 60 comes 15 times. We are going to multiply 15 in the numerator and we will get 15, plus in 5's table 60 comes 12 times. Okay, so this 12 ones are 12. Okay, now you add it up. So it is 35 plus 12 is your 47 raised to power 0, and the value is your 1, क्योंकि किसी भी बेस का पावर जब 0 होता है you get 1 as the value. Okay, okay children. Fifth part of the question is minus 2 by 3 raised to power minus 2, the whole power is 2. It means the base is having m as the power, and to the whole it is having n also as the power. जब किसी बेस के पावर्स 2 पावर्स होते हैं, what we are going to do? We are going to multiply those powers. Okay, so this is the base minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 is the power as well as 2 is also the power. So what we are going to do? Minus 2 by 3 raised to power minus 2 into 2. Okay, so that gives minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 into 2 is your minus 4. Okay children. Now children, minus 2 by 3 raised to power minus 4. तो ये बेस जो है इसका पावर नेगेटिव है, इसको पॉजिटिव करने के लिए वी आर गोइंग टू टेक इट्स रेसिप्रोकल। सो -2/3 का रेसिप्रोकल है -3/2, -3/2 and this -4 will become +4. Children, we don't have to do anything with this sign. जो बेस के साथ जो साइन होता है उसको आपको कुछ नहीं करना, ओके? वो पावर जब नेगेटिव होता है उसको पॉजिटिव में चेंज करने के लिए वी टेक द रेसिप्रोकल। लेकिन बेस अगर नेगेटिव है तो लेट इट बी, डोंट चेंज द साइन कि ये पावर नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव हो गया तो द बेस का साइन भी आप चेंज कर देंगे। नो, डोंट डू दिस, ओके? सो नाउ -3/4। सो आप यहीं पे इसको लीव कर सकते हैं और यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई द फ्रैक्शंस 4 times. Okay, so children, this is the last question, last part of the third question. Okay, so if you are okay and fine with the explanations, then don't forget to hit the like button and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so very much.